Well, what we have is the Blizzard of 2011. Can't see a whole lot right now. Let's see. This big house goes all the way across the driveway. And there's the road, which isn't really a road. Haven't come through and plowed it, but not at all. Not at all. And it's windy still. And here's the side of the house. Haven't tried to do anything with the snow yet because I don't think I can. Walk through here. Front of the shed. He's gonna die soon, so anyway. That's about it, really. You can see the road has been plowed, I guess, and it's passable for now. Drifting here. Just a sea of snow.